So the next layer is network layer. Okay. So as we know that the protocol data unit of the network layer is packets. So now the network layer will receive the information of the transport layer, which is in form of segments. So now, in order to process the segmented information of the transport layer by using the network layer, so we should convert the segmented data in the form of packets. So that's why. So the first objective of this network layer is to convert the data which is received from the transport layer in the form of segments into packets. So this is the first thing which we should perform. Now, after getting the required data unit of the network layer which is in the form of packets, the next thing is we should route the packets from the network layer of the device A to the network layer of device B. So for this, we should require a routing technique. We should require a routing technique. So in generally, what is meant by routing? It will route the data from network layer of the device A to network layer of the device B. So in generally, there will be several routes which are available in a network for sending the data between two devices. Why? All the devices in a network are interconnected with each other. Yes or no? For example, if I want to send the data between device A and device 1 and device 2, this device 1 and device 2 may also be connected to other devices in a network like this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now can you tell me what are the possible routes we are having in this scenario to send the data from device 1 to device 2? I can send the data from device 1 to device 3 and device 3 to device 2. That means D1, D3, D2. It is one route. Another route is D1, D2. Now what is the another route we are having? D1, D4, D2. Which means in a network, as all the devices are interconnected with one another, there is a possibility of having the multiple number of routes. Okay, now in the network layer, by using this routing technique, we are going to find out the shortest route. The shortest route among the devices. Okay, so in which the data transfer should be done. Now, if this is the case, what is the shortest route we are having? So that route will be selected automatically by the network layer of the device A in order to send the data to the network layer of device B. So that means that direct transfer will not be done. Is it clear? So that route will be identified, and again the network layer data should be passed to the data link layer, and finally it should reach to the physical layer. Again physical layer of the device A should be interfaced with physical layer of the device B, and after that physical layer should send to data link layer to network layer. So this route we are going to identify in a means of shortest path. Is it clear? So that identifying the shortest route among the devices for sending or receiving the data will be known in this routing service. Which service? Routing service. So it is clear with that. Now, what is the other service we are having? Logical addressing.